If Salesforce is your mission-critical CRM system, you know how complex and time-consuming it is to test each new release, including all your customized Salesforce workflows, business rules, access privileges, and tech stack. That testing complexity is felt by QA teams around the world because each company's Salesforce is different. And because QA is a later-stage process, testing trade-offs are often made. Fortunately, there's a solution that can greatly automate and accelerate testing with less risk, time, and cost: the Eggplant Salesforce solution from Keysight. The Eggplant Salesforce solution is very different from other test automation tools, and you can experience those differences right out of the box. Whereas other tools require someone to manually create test scripts for their customized Salesforce implementation, the Eggplant Salesforce solution auto-generates a visual digital twin model of all your unique Salesforce instances, workflows, and journeys in seconds. Simply point and click on the model's component and you're creating test scripts in minutes, not weeks or months, and can begin running them immediately. You can also use the model to verify the functionality of how the application is really working. The Eggplant Salesforce solution also includes Eggplant's standard test automation capabilities and innovations, which enable you to accelerate and simplify testing for any third-party apps or plugins you use with Salesforce. Testing new releases is a huge challenge, whether it's due to a new Salesforce update or adding or modifying a customized functionality. Even simple changes can require an enormous amount of time to verify the changes didn't break existing functionality or user experiences. Imagine having 10,000 tests you ran on your previous version, and then trying to determine which test scripts need to be updated for your new release, a process traditional tools often require. Now imagine letting Eggplant auto-generate all the tests needed to test your latest release, significantly speeding testing and deployment of new releases without the guesswork and with far less risk. And Eggplant performs intelligent exploratory testing at machine speed, which allows it to test countless potential user journeys, not just the happy path developers assumed users would take. If a defect is discovered in a user journey involving a specific UI control, Eggplant's predictive bug hunting algorithm will learn about that defect and automatically find and test similar controls across the application to ensure they're functioning properly. Or if a failure is discovered in a certain segment of the application, Eggplant can perform more extensive testing in nearby areas of the application, where additional failures are more likely. Another enormous advantage is Eggplant's AI-driven, human-like testing, which tests like someone who actually sees and interacts with the user interface. That approach makes Eggplant equally adept at testing Salesforce Classic or Lightning deployments and across any device. Plus, its built-in intelligent machine vision allows Eggplant to discover problems other tools that only perform functional testing can't, such as identifying font sizes that are too small or UI elements that poorly contrast with the background. But those are just a few of the capabilities that make the Eggplant Salesforce solution uniquely powerful. By combining the power of intelligent, contextual Salesforce awareness with human-like testing intelligence, the Eggplant Salesforce solution revolutionizes your QA process. And that means you can deploy new releases faster, with more confidence, all while reducing costs and accelerating time to value. Request an assessment to discover how Eggplant can transform your Salesforce testing.